Mask wearing in Spokane. Right now, it's recommended whenever you're in one of the few public places that are still open, like grocery stores. But with more reopening measures potentially on the horizon, local health leaders are looking towards guidelines that are a little stricter.
There are stronger requirements and recommendations to wear masks, and I think that will be something that you will be seeing forthcoming, hopefully in Spokane.
The details are shaky right now. But Dr. Bob Lutt says our guidelines could look something like the directive recently issued in King County. That one requires masks in all indoor public settings and in outdoor settings where social distancing isn't possible, like a farmer's market or when you pick something up curbside. There are exceptions for young children and people with certain disabilities. So what's the difference between that and what we have here? Well, one, the detail, but two, the strength of the wording. What King County issued is a directive. It tells everyone they need to comply, so it's stronger than a recommendation like we have here. But it's not really enforceable by police the way an order is. It's something in between. Spokane's mayor says if Lutz feels a stronger directive is needed, she's on board.
If that is the best practice and protocol suggested by our health officer, absolutely.
King County is working to get masks to people who have a harder time acquiring them. Similar efforts have been discussed in Spokane, but there's no concrete plan yet. Now, what kind of mask would you need? Well, there are basically three kinds. N95 masks, disposable medical masks, and homemade or makeshift masks. In King County, the last one, basically any form of cloth covering, is fine. In fact, you're advised not to buy N95 masks, since those are still needed for nurses and the like. But remember, masks are meaningless if you wear them wrong. They need to completely cover your nose and mouth, really the whole bottom of your face. You shouldn't touch the masks while wearing them, and if you do touch them, you should wash your hands. Same goes for when you take them off. Cloth masks should be washed after each use. Disposable masks shouldn't be used more than once. And disposable masks, like the one I'm now wearing, usually do have an up and a down. You can tell which because the up is the part with the hard wire. You use that wire to mold around your nose. Given that coronavirus is spread by droplets and many carriers don't have symptoms, mask wearing while in public is now crucial to stopping the spread. And soon, in Spokane, it could become mandatory. Casey Decker, Crumb 2 News.